G'day everybody, it's Matthew from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to remove a sound system out of a Mitsubishi Outlander. Now the tools you will need is a plastic spudger and a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, let's get started. First part we're going to remove is this part around here, the plastic surround. And you can get that by getting your plastic spudger on under and loosening the clips, being careful not to damage the dashboard. Now when that comes out, it will have two electronic plugs, and you can remove those by pressing the middle pin and pulling them towards the front of the car. Okay, we'll put that aside for a second. Now that will of course expose 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to remove all those. Okay, once we've got those screws out, this whole unit will come out. And it will have on the back of it once more some electrical plugs to disconnect. Press the middle pin, pull it towards the front of the car. You can't put them in the wrong place, they only go in one place, so don't worry too much about that. And that unit's ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair.